Question number 151. Semilunar valves remain open when? And the options given are option number 1. Blood from pulmonary veins flow into left ventricle. This is incorrect because at this time semilunar valves are closed. Option number 2. Blood from vena cava flow into right ventricle. This is also incorrect because at this time semilunar valves are closed. Option number 3, bicuspid and tricuspid valve are open. This is also incorrect because at this time semilunar valves are closed. Option number 4, blood flows from ventricles into circulatory pathways. This is correct. When ventricles contract, semilunar valves get open. Right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into the pulmonary trunk and left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood into the aorta. So correct answer to our question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 152. If the cardiac output is 4900 ml and blood volume in the ventricles at the end of diastole is 140 ml, while at the end of ventricular systole is 70 ml, what would be the heart rate of this person? Stroke volume is equals to and diastolic volume, which is 140 ml, minus and systolic volume, which is 70 ml. So it comes out to be 70 ml. And we know that cardiac output is equals to stroke volume multiplied by heart rate. Cardiac output given is 4900 ml. Stroke volume is 70 ml. So heart rate is equals to 4900 divided by 70, and it comes out to be 70 beats per minute. So correct answer to our question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 153. Choose the correct match with respect to events in cardiac cycle of normal adult person. Time period of one cardiac cycle in normal adult person is of 0.8 seconds. And atrial systole occurs for 0.1 second. Ventricular systole occurs for 0.3 seconds. And joint diastole occurs for 0.4 seconds. If we see time period of atrial diastole, then it occurs for 0.7 seconds. And time period of ventricular diastole is 0.5 seconds. So correct answer is atrial diastole 0.7 seconds. Answer 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 154. Select the incorrect statement, and the option given are option number 1. The cyclically repeated sequential events in heart will be same for an athlete as well as ordinary man. This is a correct statement. Question number 154. Select the incorrect statement. Option number 1. The cyclically repeated sequential events in heart will be same for an athlete as well as ordinary man. This is a correct statement. Option 2. The volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle per minute is called cardiac output. This is also a correct statement. And volume of blood pumped out by each ventricle in one cardiac cycle is called stroke volume. Option number 3, the body has the ability to alter stroke volume as well as heart. This is also a correct statement. Option number 4, the body lacks the ability to alter cardiac output and duration of cardiac cycle. This is incorrect. Our body has ability to alter cardiac output and duration of cardiac cycle. By altering heart rate and stroke volume, cardiac output can also be altered. So correct answer to our question is option number 4.